If you want to make real money online in 2025, this is the only video you'll need to watch. I'm not here to sell your dream, I'm just going to show you exactly how to start, what to focus on, and how to turn it into consistent cash flow. Let's go. There's a lot of noise online. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, crypto, forex, but most of you are just stuck watching videos and not taking action. I've built multiple online income streams, and in this video, I'm going to give you the clearest, no BS roadmap to start making money today. The first step is learning a high income skill, not a trend one, a skill that solves problems. Web design, content creation, video editing, digital marketing, copywriting. These are in demand in 2025 and they pay well. Pick one, go all in and learn fast. YouTube, free courses, paid mentorships, you have no excuse. Once you've got that skill, turn it into a service. Find people who need what you do. Don't overthink it. Go on Google Maps, Instagram or Facebook groups. Businesses need websites, content and marketing. Reach out, get your first client and deliver like your life depends on it. Now this is where most people miss out. While you're doing the work, document it. Start posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Show the grind, share the journey. That attention will bring in clients, followers and eventually passive income. Once you've made some money, reinvest. Learn more. Maybe start offering courses, maybe launch an agency, maybe build a community. But it all starts with one skill, one service and one client. Then you stack, then you scale. If you're serious about making money online in 2025, you need to start now. Not tomorrow, not next year, now. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.